Hi, continuing to our C programming, today I will cover for loop in practical. We'll straightforward jump into our IDE and we'll write the C program for the same. You will get a hands-on experience how to write a for loop. Let's open our IDE, whichever IDE you are using. I am using here CodeLite. The first thing you need to do is to include the header libraries. See, the IDE is helping me in writing the code and I can see the intelligence when I press in include standard input output dot header file. Then I write my first main method int main. I do not pass any parameter. Main is the entry method for any C program. That is the first method which a debugger will hit when you write a C program. Now first we will declare some variables and then we will write our first for loop. I will declare int I is equal to 0 and then we will write our first program for I till which condition. This is a condition when found true the program will get into this loop. So when I is less than 10, this will let us run this loop for 10 times. Please note in C or in any computer language the first value is 0, it's not 1. From 0 it will run till 9. As soon as I becomes 10, I is equal to 10 and it is no more less than 10. So it will not get into this loop and we will increment I after it completes one loop. We will write here an input output statement printf. Hi, this is to count the loop print here. We will give I, and as we have written integer type as a return parameter for our main method. See here, if you see, integer is the main return type of this method, so we need to return something. We'll return 0. With this we will go to the build. We'll go build project is build. Now we'll go to run, build and execute. So you can see here the loop has run 9 times, 0 to 9. So you saw how we wrote our first program. We first included the header file, then we wrote the main method, then we defined the variables, then we wrote the for loop. In for loop there are 3 conditions: initialization, then condition, and then increment. Within for loop we wrote only one statement, that was an output statement printf, to print the count of the loop. We returned 0 because we have defined in this main method as return type int, so we returned 0. In this video we learned how to write for loop. In our next video we will go to while loop and do while loop. With that we will complete our loops in C programming. Thank you for watching this video.